This is going to be a pretty straightforward project. You've seen one, you've seen them all. I'm going to be turning a small candy dish from this piece of black locust. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. I'm not sure what happened to create this particular view. I must have hit the camera when I had my shield up and I leaned up and over the project. My apologies. I started the process off with 150 grit and ended up with 320. So yeah, I had to do a lot of sanding. There was some pretty deep tool marks in the wood, but in all it came out pretty good. And now to add some pure walnut oil, I'll do the outside of the dish and the inside of the dish, and then I'll finish off by using Yorkshire polishing compound. Well, here's the outcome of the candy dish. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The oil really brought out the grain. The polishing compound left a nice shine on it. Nothing fancy. But this is what I ended up with. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support. Wishing everyone a happy and safe 4th of July. God bless you all, and thanks for watching.